Welcome, here we are going to Colonia, taking the Colonia Express ferry. Beautiful Uruguayan flag. So maybe you're going to Colonia from Buenos Aires for a few reasons. You're wondering how much time should you take? Is it worth it? How will it be? Is it expensive? I don't go too much about the cost in this video, but we go through the itinerary, what to do, and how much time you need. Well, the ferry ride is very nice. Definitely take Colonia Express and you'll see very nice, beautiful views on the way. And entering the terminal is fine, easy. And then you can walk right to your destination. We walked to our hostel, and then we went out for the evening and walked around a little bit and then saw the sunset. This city was founded by the Portuguese in 1680, late 1600s, and also Spanish took it over as well. And you'll see history from both those sides, streets, buildings that are Portuguese and Spanish, so it's all mixed. It's an interesting contrast, and I recommend this place to go from Buenos Aires. It's European feel, it's colonial older feel, but it's very safe, very nice break away from the city if you've been in Buenos Aires for some time, which I have been. So it's a good thing to do. Definitely take a day or two. And it's very beautiful and it's very peaceful. So watch this review just to see what we did, and hope you guys enjoy. And we start off here at this famous street. It's Calle Suspiros. This is an original Portuguese street. Okay.
Calle de los Suspiros.
Okay, Calle de los Suspiros. Gracias. So this right here is Plaza Mayor. So all of this is Spanish. So of course Spain brought in plazas. They brought in, a planning of the city, urban planning. So all of this is Spain, but then you have side streets here that are Portuguese. So it all blends in. You see Spanish and Portuguese all in one. It's beautiful. And by the way, this is 10 o'clock in the morning. There's no one here. If you have all of it to yourself, take pictures. There's absolutely no one here. It's very nice. I mean, yeah, some people walking around, but it's December. It's the 28th of December. It's so sunny. It's beautiful. It's in the morning. No one's here, and it's absolutely beautiful. So let me show you now the Portuguese street. That's famous. Lovely there, and it's beautiful. You see the water. It's a very small city, small town. You can walk the whole thing in 30 minutes. Each side's like 7 minutes. But yeah, this is the Portuguese street. Very beautiful. You see the cobblestones different. And the Portuguese founded this city first, and then Spanish fought with them a few times. And just a little short walk away, you'll see a very big, beautiful Uruguayan flag right by the water here. And from that way is Buenos Aires, all the way down there, Argentina. Imagine seeing a whole Spanish fleet just come this way. I mean, you can see the whole water, the whole Rio de la Plata. And yeah, this is a river meets an ocean. And here is a map of the Rio de la Plata, the estuary, which is when the river meets the ocean. So I just learned about that there, but we are here, as it says. You see Buenos Aires there, and you see how it meets. Okay, now I'm gonna go up inside the Lighthouse, bring 45 Uruguayan pesos in cash so you can enter. I learned that. Okay, we made it up. It was a little bit tight, but we made it. So yeah, like I said, bring Uruguayan pesos to pay in cash. That's the only way to enter. But here's the view from the top, and it's very beautiful. You can see the whole city, the church, the water. Now, we're gonna go into our next adventure, and rent a bike. Here we are. Okay, so if you do have extra time in a day or whatever, some hours, you can rent a bike and ride to the beach, which I recommend. Here we will get the bikes and ride to La Rambla and the beach. You find the bikes here right by the Bastion, right by the old wall, which is right here. And the price is pretty good. It was, I think, $20 for 2 bikes for the whole day. So yeah, we took the bikes and we rode to the Colonia sign, which was like around 15-20 minute ride away. And from here you can see the flag and the lighthouse where we were before. So here is the beach we went to. It's called Oreja Negra. And it was pretty crowded before, but it's actually a pretty nice beach. I mean, it's on the river. It's very nice. Very nice. I suggest going there. So here is the beautiful sunset, and you will see amazing sunsets. We rode back to the main town to see it, and yeah, it's like you're in the Mediterranean, Europe. It's calm. Look at this. Those cobblestone streets, the sunset, the old buildings. And then we saw this. So yeah, we were just getting some drinks in Colonia, and we saw all this happen, which was interesting. Really random, but interesting experience indeed. So here's what happened next. The next day, on our ferry away, we took a walk. We asked ChatGPT which other beach we can go to. It told us to go to Playa Ferrando, and we had to walk 30 minutes through all of this. Nothing here at all. Now we saw some nice horse. That was cool. The countryside, but other than that, there was nothing. And here's the beach, but it was nothing special. It was not good at all. So if it tells you to go there, then don't waste your time. Maybe rent a bike if you want, but the beach wasn't nice. Anyways, here is the sunset. Very beautiful. On our way out, we saw that sunset, and we took the night ferry, and it was pretty fun actually. If you could, you should try it. And maybe spooky, but it was nice. If you enjoyed, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below.